Now, something really new we've never had here before are Mighty Good extra large pet wipes. They say dog wipes, but pet wipes. So you get 200, so you get 4 packs. They're large, extra large, so they're 10 by 12 for grooming towels. Wipe up clean messes with debris. They're 100% pet safe ingredients, and they can be used on all parts of your dog's body. So some dogs just need their eyes wiped a lot, some their noses. Gently wipe out their ears, or if they come in with muddy paws, you just grab them quick, throw it away. You don't have to wash those rags over and over. They're hypoallergenic and fragrance free and easy to use and portable. Throw one in your car, have them by where they enter in. And this is item 63283 for $19.99.